Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error module not found error can't resolve React router DOM in React.js. So the reason why you are getting this error is because you have used React router DOM in your React project but you haven't installed that particular package. So to solve this problem you need to run the command npm install React router DOM in your terminal. So you can just pause the video and type this command. We just copy this and I'm going to a new terminal, and make sure that you are inside this terminal. If you aren't inside the right folder, make sure that you are using the cd command and coming inside the right folder. After that, just run this and hit enter. So after it has installed, you can just stop it, Control C and clear, and then rerun the command. And this time here you can see I'm not getting any errors. These are just warnings because I haven't used it. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.